of Rockstar Games. Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time. That is mostly for GTA 5. So it is quite easy to fix. Simply go to your search and here type in for virus and threat protection. Open it up. And once that is open, scroll down a bit. Under the virus and threat protection, click on manage settings. Scroll down to the bottom and here you can see add or remove exclusion. So just go and click on yes to add exclusion. Add here, select folder. Now you need to go to either Rockstar or GTA 5 enhanced folder to select it. Go to program files, go to games, select either the Rockstar folder or this GTA 5 enhanced folder, select, and now here it is. Now the second thing that you need to do is go to search again, go to settings. And once you're here, you need to go and search for time. So just go and here you can see date and time settings. Open this up. And once that is open, make sure that your time zone is correct. So in my case, just go and select the right time zone and make sure that you set the time automatically, turn it on and click on sync now. So make sure everything is right here. And the last thing that you need to do is just go to your Rockstar launcher and make sure that when you run your Rockstar launcher, right click, run as administrator. And I hope this all fixes your issues. But if you still have issues, just go and try restarting the computer once and again go and open up the launcher as administrator. I hope this fixes your issues, but before you go, please like the video.